Morning, first grade. This is Mrs. Webb, and I am going to do another shared reading lesson with you today. Our story today is a fictional story called Eddie's Pet. Eddie's Pet. Eddie watched the clock tick-tock in the den. He was getting a pet. The question was, when? With a box and a towel, he set up a bed. "My pet will sleep here," the happy boy said. He waited and waited. A cell phone rang out. "Is it time? Did they come?" Eddie asked with a shout. Kate listened and nodded, then smiled ear to ear. "Let's go," she said. "The babies are here." They ran down the street and knocked on a door. "Come in," said the neighbor. Nutmeg had 4. "Of course," said the neighbor as the kittens made squeaks. The kittens must stay with their mama for 8 weeks. 8 weeks, exclaimed Eddie. "That doesn't seem fair. How could he leave if his kitten stayed there?" In the blink of an eye, he knew what to do so his kitten could stay, but he'd see his pet too. Back at his house, his photo looked great. He would have his pet soon. He would just have to wait. Okay, I want you to head over to Seesaw. Think about what that problem and solution was in our short story today.